Hey, Preston, Penelope. So Nanama grandma is going to introduce you to some baby monkeys that she made for you as your, I guess, winter break present. So here she is. Mom, so she basically used these metallic markers on these robotic baby monkeys to make personalized monkey helpers for you. So you could basically, they do 70 different little sayings. You could like touch their nose, their hair, their tummy, battery powered. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Penelope and Preston. I hope you like them.
Sure they will. All right, guys.